Yo, what's up guys, I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today's video tutorial is basically about how to transfer funds or how to connect your Payoneer and PayPal account. So basically, Payoneer and PayPal are two of the most famous online transaction. So basically, how can we connect these two and transfer funds among them? Or basically connecting them is you can transfer funds among them and share your accounts balance, right? So how to connect that, how to connect your Payoneer to your PayPal. So how are we going to do that, right? So to do that, the first thing that we need to do right now is go to our Payoneer, and what we want to do is on the right hand side you'll see here that there is a link. Most of these things might be blurred out because of privacy issue, but here you would see on the right hand side here that there is a link. It says contact our customer care team. Now what you need to do is you need to click on this, and once you click on this, now what's going to happen is it's going to load up this page. Now what we're going to do is if we look here, you can see that there are multiple options. The one we are interested in is send payment / withdraw to bank. Click on this, and after that you would see that there is this option within that. There are sub options within that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to say make a payment. Click on this. Now you would see that there are a bunch of options. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this and wait for a bit, the first option, and it says contact us, right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on contact us, and after that you'll get here this topic will show up. Now here you need to describe your issue, so whatever the issue is. So our issue here is that we want to connect a Payoneer to PayPal and transfer fund among them. So so then you're gonna write that issue here, and then after that what you're gonna do is you're gonna we don't need to attach any document in this scenario, and just prove that you're not a robot and submit it. And after a while, after some time, one of the agents of Payoneer's customer support will contact us back, and we'll have a live chat. And in the live chat we are gonna discuss that how it's gonna go through, and they are gonna connect the two accounts, and they're gonna tell you all the possibilities there are in working in synchronizing the Payoneer and PayPal account. So this is pretty much the basic step of how to connect your Payoneer to your PayPal. So I hope you found this video helpful, and yeah, if you have any question, please drop it down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.